Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making this lunch bag to crossbody bag. You can use it as lunch bag, you can use it as crossbody bag. Can you see? This is what we are going to be making today in this video. We are going to be doing a step-by-step cutting and sewing of this bag. So I want you to watch to the end. Make sure you watch to the end, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get notification whenever we upload a new video. This is what we are going to be making today. Can you see it? So now please subscribe. First of all, subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. Click the notification bell. These are the materials and the measurements that we are going to be using. So you can just copy it and make your own. So this is what we are going to need. Now this is the long belt. We have the long belt, we have the short belt. We have the adjust. Adjust is actually 2, not 1. We have the gusset. Is 5 by 10 and half. The gusset is 5 by 10 and half. 2 sorry, on both sides. One on this side, one on the other side. But there are 3 pieces here. We are going to be using the other one for the front design. The main body is 30 by 10 and half. 30 by 10 and half. That is the main body. So now what we do now is to notch the center of the side gusset. Notch the center of it, and we will now start to shape. You will shape it after notching. Make sure you notch both up and down of the center. After notching, you will start to shape it. You won't leave it like this. So you'll be shaping it with 1 inches. 1 inches. 1 inches. That is what you use to shape. Can you see what I'm doing? You will shape with 1 inches. And you will shape it the way I'm shaping it. You will shape it, draw a straight line to connect it to the other end. Draw a straight line so to connect it to the other end. Do the same thing on both sides. Do the same thing on both sides. Connect it. Draw a straight line to connect it. Can you see the way I'm doing it? That is how you do it. So you draw a straight line and connect. You connect the both other side. Then you cut. That side is the top side. The side that will remove 1 inches from is the top side. So you just shape it as the way you see me shape it. You shape it that way on both sides. So, and you use this side to shape the other side. You use one side to shape the other side. Make sure that their notches match. That's why you needed to notch from the beginning before you start shaping. Then you shape the other side with the first one that you shape. So that is what you will do. Please subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Like our video, share our video, and press the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you. So now it's sewing of the front design. This third design material, we use it to do a design for the front. So watch the way I'm doing it. watch the way I'm doing it. I will sew it down, sewn it. You just sew one edge of it down, you sew it down. Then after sewing it, the next thing is you will place it on the main body. You place it on one edge of the main body. You place it just the same way you see me place it. You will place it that way. You will sew it round. You sew it round. Can you see it? Can you see the way I'm illustrating it? You sew it round. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like our videos, share our videos, share on different social media platforms so that others can learn from these videos. If you are gaining value from this video, I want you to share it, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Drop your question in the comment section. So you sew it just the same way I'm sewing it now. You sew it down that way. That is how you sew it. So I'm done sewing it. The next thing, I'm sewing bias belt on top. I measure 1.5 inches. I sew the bias belt on top just to create a design there, just to create a design, and also to cover the velcro that will sew on the inside. So now it's time to sew the velcro. You sew it exactly the same line you sew the bias. The line you sew the bias is the line you will sew the velcro inside. So after that, what you do is that you will fix the handle, the long handle and the short handle. You fix it on the side gusset. You fix it the way I'm fixing it now. You fix it that way, and you fix the short handle. You put your adjust. You fix it that way. You see how I'm fixing it. You fix it that way. So that is how you fix. Make sure you put your adjust, don't forget. Then the next thing is to use your bias to tape the edge of the side panel, and even the main body. You tape the edge. After taping the side panel, tape the main body, tape the edge with bias. One side of it, not the two sides, just one side of it. You tape it. After taping it, then what's next to do is to sew the gusset. See the way I'm sewing it. Sew it. Start sewing it from the side that you tape. You sew it that way. You oil it. If it's not moving, if your material is thick, you turn. Yes, you turn from there. You keep sewing. You keep sewing it until you get to the other side of it. Can you see it? You get to your back stitch. You do the same thing to the other side. You sew it round. So after sewing it, the next thing to do is to start taping it. So I'm using bias to tape it. I started from the inside. You tape it round. Keep sewing until you get to the end of it. You tape it round. You start it from the inside and tape it round with your bias. Keep taping. You keep taping it until you go round and finish all the edges. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So you tape it, you go to round to the front side. You keep taping it until you are able to finish it up. So that is what you will do. Thank you for watching. Our bag is ready. If you have watched to this time, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Share our video, like, and please subscribe. So we have come to the end of this video. Can you see it? So just for us to now connect the, and what I'm doing, I'm trimming the excess thread. So I'm connecting the long handle to the short one with another adjust. That is why we need to adjust. So connect it and I will stitch it down. Our bag is ready. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I'm grateful. God bless you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe to our channel, like our video,